Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to make a TikTok account on any iPhone or Android or whatever device you have. It's extremely easy to do it, and I'll go ahead and show you how to do it. Now, you can do this on your computer too, and you don't necessarily have to have like a TikTok account in order to access TikTok. But the first thing you want to do is make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded on your device if you're going through your phone method. So you can download it from your app store, whatever the case is. So what you want to do is once the app is downloaded, you'll come into a page like this. Then you have a couple of different options of logging into TikTok. So you can either create an account, you can log in via Facebook, you can log in via the Apple, ID that you have if you have an Apple device, continue with Google account, Twitter, or Instagram. Now in this case, you can go ahead and use any of those options that you want to, but in this case, we'll go ahead and sign up for an actual account. So what you want to do is you want to locate at the bottom bar right here. There's a little, don't have an account sign up option. All we want to do is click on that and we'll be able to sign up for TikTok. So we can go ahead and we'll come back into this panel, use phone or email. But like I said before, you can continue with these other options as well. So let's go and click here. So in this case, you'll actually be able to put your birthday right here. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put in your birthday, whatever it is. And then what you want to do at this point is you want to go ahead and type in either your phone number or your email account associated with your specific TikTok account. So you can go ahead and kind of go through whatever you want to do, whichever method you feel the most comfortable with. And after this case, all you'll have to do is just basically submit your email and you can sign up for a password. And you can go ahead and input your password and you can pretty much move on from there. So that's pretty much how you do it. It's a very easy process. Again, you don't have to use a phone if you don't want to, but it's pretty much the easiest way. That's pretty much versatile for everyone. So if you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.